और फिर कृष्ण यानी भक्तों के विनोद आनंद प्रदान करने के लिए भौम वृंदावन प्रकट करते हैं। एक हो गया
One is Aprakat, is Golok Vrindavan.
कृष्ण भक्तों के आनंद प्रदान करने के लिए
So Krishna,
to
to give pleasure for his devotee. So Lord comes from Nitya to this Bhauma Vrindavan along with Brajavasis. How Krishna will come? Krishna will come along with his dham and along with his family, parivar, parikars, servants, everyone. Through Yog Maya, he appears the same Golok Vrindavan to this material world. He manifests his and he gives darshan for his devotees. In Srimad Bhagavatam it is said, like there are so many leelas of Lord Krishna, but the highest leela is Ras Leela. Dasya Sakya Vatsalya. Till here, no. But Madhurya, the different not be understood by the people. These people wants happiness. By eating food, they are happy. Delicious foods. Some people sleep. They sleep in good Anand. So while sleeping, many people feel happy for sleeping. So there are people, many kind of people aspire for happiness in different kinds. But in the spiritual world, the happiness which is eternal, many people doesn't know this. And what is that happiness which is present in spiritual world? So to show this happiness, what is there in spiritual world, Lord appeared in this material world along with his dham, and this is known as Prakat Leela. Aprakat Dham, Aprakat Leela is Golok Vrindavan, the spiritual transcendental abode. And Prakat Leela, Prakat Dham is in this material world. And what is the third point? After Krishna will go away. After all his leelas performed, Krishna go back to his transcendental world. But the Dham is always stays with us. We can see Giriraj Govardhan, Radhakund, Shamkund, but we cannot see the leelas. Narottam Das is telling,
आप लोग तो ब्रज में रहते हो, कृष्ण इसी ब्रज में सारी लीला, किंतु लीला दर्शन नहीं हो रहा है। भ्रमिते भ्रमिते कोनो भास्वरे देखि किछु मनोहर आहा मनोहर कि देखेनो आमी हइया बतायो। इसी प्रकार ब्रज में भ्रमण करते करते केवल मंत्र स्थान है, वृक्ष है, लता पता है, किंतु
So in this Braj Dham we can see the trees, dham, everything, but we cannot.
दुखित होकर धाम
So Narottam Das, by crying, rolling on the down, doing dham parikram, he's please show your leelas. At that time Krishna will show his leelas in the heart. Alavat Chakra.
क्या चीज है?
भगवान
कहते हैं एक जलती हुई लकड़ी को यदि जोर से घुमाया जाए क्या देखोगे? एक
गोल
गोल चक्कर लगेगा।
Alavat Chakra Leela. Like example, if you take a fire stick and if you rotate it fastly, you will see a fire round like a chakra.
अभी हमारे इस ब्रह्मांड में वो लीला हम देख नहीं पा रहे, किंतु किसी न किसी ब्रह्मांड में वो लीला चल
हो रहा है।
अनंत ब्रह्मांड है, अभी
अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड.
ब्रह्मांड है।
So we cannot see the leelas of Krishna right now, but leelas are happening. There are Brahman. So pastime is happening.
चल रही इसमें कहता है अद्यावधि सही लीला करे जोगुलो राय कोनो कोनो भगवान देखी बात।
ये भागवत में जो इस तरह लिख रहा है यही लीला सबके लिए
अलौकिक भगवान की इच्छा है यदि कोई समय बात करे जरूरी नहीं है ये हर समय एक ही लीलाओं को प्रकट करना है। कुछ लीला तो फिक्स रहता है और कुछ लीलाओं जो है वो अदल बदल होती रहता है।
So in other Brahmans, his pastimes. Some pastimes are fixed pastimes, and some pastimes there he might have been performing in a different pastimes. Morning class, Maharaj was mentioning like every day we do chawal, rice. So we do different like sambar rice, pulao.
पुलाव बना लिया
The varieties of the rice.
तरीका बनाने की।
So in the same way, the pastime of Lord Krishna is also different in different lokas, different Brahmans. Fixed.
किंतु साधक जब भजन करते
So Maharaj is telling three things. One, Vrindavan and Aprakrit Leela, and Prakrit Golok Vrindavan and Leela, and Drishtaman Leela. Drishtaman Leela means many Leelas which has been performed in another Brahmans will manifest in the devotee's heart.
साधु के परित्राण क्या? परित्राण साधु उस विरह रूपी ताप से रक्षा करने के लिए।
So here it says, what is the problem with sadhu? The problem of sadhu is he is feeling and to give him the pleasure, Lord is coming again and again.
कृष्ण की अद्भुत महिमा,
Krishna's amazing pastimes, amazing glories are mentioned in the Shastras.
जैसे आपने बताया कृष्ण नित्य धाम से जगत में प्रकट कराने की अनेकों कारण दर्शाना।
Like
एक मुख्य
for manifesting the transcendental abode of Krishna, Maharaj said so many
मुख्य कारण
reasons.
इसी प्रकार है ये अपराधिक प्रवृत्ति
The primary reason and secondary reason. The primary reason is in Aprakrit Golok Vrindavan performs Ras Leela, and the same Leela has been manifested here in the Bhauma Vrindavan. This is primary reason. Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya Leelas, everybody knows, but the Krishna which has a special pastimes with gopis, with secret pastimes of gopis, this nobody knows. So when this happens, it happens at the night time. Ratrika,
जब सब ब्रजवासी लोग
when all the Brajvasi people are sleeping,
और कृष्ण
and Krishna
स्थान पर आकर के बंसी वादन करते थे, बंसी
he is
बजाते थे।
individually playing a
और उस
flute
बंसी ध्वनि के
alone.
द्वारा कृष्ण वो समस्त ब्रज गोपियों की जो है पुकारते थे।
So all the gopis to the sound of the flute.
ध्वनि में क्या चीज है?
Dharam.
एक ही शब्द है जिसमें क्लीम कहा जाता है।
So what is there in the in the flute? There is a bijakshar called.
इस जो बीज मंत्र
So this mantra,
कीर्तन के सुन करके वो समस्त ब्रज गोपियां है, समस्त क्रिया कर्म आदि त्याग दे करके
hearing this
गोविंद कर
enchanted sound of flute,
सारे ब्रज
all the Brajvasis
सबको
are attracted towards.
भक्त की
So and especially the devotees of Vatsalya, it is not applicable. Only flute.
दास भक्त सेवा करना, वो लोग अधिकार इस्लाम में प्रवेश करने की
These devotees, Vatsalya, Dasya, Sakya devotees have do not have qualification to
छोड़ करके
Ras Leela.
बाकी स्वभाव के भी जो माया सुला देते हैं। सुबह सुदाम आदि सब राजता है क्या? प्रिय नरमस्कार है। ये समस्त सखा कुछ जो है कृष्ण सेवा की बात, राष्ट्र की सहायता करने के लिए कुछ प्रयास करती है।
So only the Priyanarma Sakas helps Krishna in performing in his Ras Leela. From Ras Leela.
राधा कृष्ण लीला, बंसी चोरी,
Pastimes Madhupan, Radha Krishna Milan, stealing of flute, many pastimes.
जो प्रिय नर्म सखा भी है, केवल सामान्य रूप में
Only the Priyanarma Sakas of Sakyaras will help in Krishna's Ras Leela. So Yogamaya call only these Sakas, not ordinary Sakas are not allowed.
और वास्तव का जो है नंद जसोदा
And Vatsalya Ras, Sevak and Sevika Nanda Yashoda.
इनके भी जो किसी प्रकार भाव नहीं करते।
So you allow these Vatsalya Sevak, Nanda Yashoda.
तो आगे रह गया कौन?
Who is left? Shringa.
राधानी को भी है? उसको जो है,
Radha and other gopis.
जैसे पूर्णमासी मार हुई सामान्य रूप से कुछ
like how Purnamasi,
अथवा कहेंगे कि पूर्णमासी देवी जो मैं उस लीला के कहीं की सहायता भी करती है।
so Purnamasi Devi, she helps this in Ras Leela, and apart from this, any other rasas, like apart from Madhurya, allowed for performing Ras Leela, will not allow them.
दिन की लीला भी नहीं बोले, थोड़ी सी लीला पता बोले।
So our is telling,
मानो एक दिन की लीला, इससे मालूम कितना दिन के
only, but they are performed the Leela and unlimited.
इसलिए ये सर्वोत्तम लीला जो है वो रास लीला, उसी रास
The topmost Leela is Ras Leela, and he manifested this Ras Leela into this Bombay Vrindavan.
इस धराधाम से चले गए,
Went away to back to his no pagate.
इतना सारे लीलाओं में
So when Krishna
अपने धाम में जब चले,
went back to his dham,
योग माया के द्वारा उतना
so to
प्रवृत्ति बढ़ते जाए, उतना ही मनुष्य निज इतने नीच प्रवृत्ति होते जाएगा रहेगा।
so when Krishna left, he appeared in Srimad Bhagavatam. When Krishna left this world, immediately Kali Yuga started. The dharma is Bhagavad.
और मनुष्य धीरे धीरे छोटा भी होते जाएगा, ये सब तो करते जाएगा। ऐसे जीवों की कल्याण भगवान जिस प्रकार सूर्य 10 सबके वास्तव में क्लियर सब जगह नहीं है, विषय कोटि बने वो कोटि भावे जोग माया करिवे आपन मेरे पति गोपियों की जो है क्या है अधिकारी है स्वरूप परिचय क्या सेविका के रूप में माँ जनता की परिचारिका सेविका, जैसे माँ जनता के जब जब गुण होते हैं इन बालों के गुण आप पकड़ो ये वही सब काम, किंतु वृंदावन में नहीं, गोलोक में थे।
Sorry, there was some internet problem, so we need to discontinue the translation. I think now it would be fine.
कमल के जो सुंदर जो लाल भाग है गुलाब के अंदर जो होता है कोई मानो वृंदावन करने का, और उसके चारों तरफ
So Maharaj is explaining about Vrindavan with the example of a lotus flower, how Vrindavan looks.
आप थोड़ा ध्यान से आप देखना, उसी की कहा जाता है गोलोक कहा जाता है।
Golok.
गोलोक में जो है
What is called Golok? The flower of lotus surrounded, not the inside part, the outside part,
समझ में नहीं आएगा, इतना ही समझो
the flower petals
कि
of the lotus is called
boundary जो है,
golok.
गोलोक कहा जाता है। और वृंदावन मधुर धाम है।
वृंदावन की जगह
And Vrindavan is the inside part of the flower is Vrindavan.
गोलोक वृंदावन की क्या है? प्राचीर स्वरूप। प्राचीर समझ लो, बाउंड्री।
Golok is the boundary of the lotus flower.
अपने राज्य की सीमा के लिए जैसे ये बनाते, जैसे चिन्ह, जैसे सबसे बड़ा प्रतीक बनाते।
So, if you take a lotus flower, the petals of the lotus flower is like Golok, is surrounded every round, and the inside part of the lotus flower is Golok. Vrindavan. Vrindavan. In the same way, in Srirangam temple also there is all the 4 places the compound is bound. In the same way, he is giving many examples.
इस संसार में रह के जो हम वार्तालाप करते हैं अप्राकृतिक जगत की, ये केवल एकमात्र एक धारणा करने के लिए, आपको ये विचार की देने के लिए कहा। तो कैसे है वो आप जाओगे तो आप दिखाई पड़ेगा, वो अनुभव होता है।
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling these examples we can give just to make you understand. But how is it? You have to go and personally find out.
वहीं पर जो वो क्या करते हैं, जो मैं के अंदर वो जो लीला चलती है, उसी की जो है मान होने की परिचारिका के रूप में, जैसे उनको कपड़ा साफ कर देना, जो कुछ काज है।
So Putana is liberated to Golok Vrindavan, and she is given eternal position of neighbor of Mother Yashoda, the servant of Mother Yashoda, and she always assists to Mother Yashoda, washing clothes and assisting in cooking and all many other things. So for the small thing, Krishna is giving such a big thing, and not any demons have attained this kind of position. So Krishna killed so many demons, but he did not give for all the demons the exalted position, but for Putana Krishna gave a exalted position because the Putana's relation was with Prahlad Maharaj in her previous life. And Lord Nrsimhadev himself said, "Hey Prahlad, whoever come in your dynasty, I will accept them and I will bestow my mercy upon them." पूर्व जन्म में
मैंने कहा ना, पूतना कौन थी?
रत्नमाला, रत्नवल्ली, रत्नवल्ली. So somebody is asking question, was Putana is Prahlad Maharaj's dynasty? So Maharaj is telling, no, Putana in the previous life she comes under the dynasty of Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj's son is Virochana, Virochana's son is Bali Maharaj, and Bali Maharaj's daughter is Putana. Bali Maharaj's daughter is Ratnavalli. So the same Ratnavalli here in Krishna Lila comes as Putana. Why? Because when Vamandev came for asking Bhiksha, Ratnamala saw Vamandev and she was filled with Vatsalya. She was thinking that I will feed my breast milk to him. But after when he took everything from Bali Maharaj, Ratnamala became so angry and she said that I want to kill him. So she got in the next life she came as Putana. Madhukanta and Snigdakanta, who are those? So they are the sons of Kubera, Manigriva and Nalakuar and Manigriva. And all the stories are in from different kalpa, different kind of pastimes. One day, this these two brothers went for thief, went for robbery in the previous life.
प्राप्ति करने के लिए कई काली दुर्गा भी हमें पूजा बलिदान आदि करते। तो इसकी कथा भी पुराण में आ रही है। ये धन कुबेर कैसे मिल गया? धन एक कैसे ये कुबेर कैसे मिल गया?
So how this Kuber got so much money? Maharaj is telling the pastime how he became the treasurer of the devatas.
ये शिव भक्त थे।
So he was a Kuber was a devotee of Lord Shiva, and he was doing robbery, wandering here and there. That day, one day he did not get any money. That day was Shiv Chaturdashi. At night time, in Shiv Chaturdashi, they offer water and bilwa leaves.
और केवल शिव जी की
So from morning he is also not eating anything. And he saw there was one. He saw one Shivling, Shivji's deity in the forest, and above the Shivling there was a bowl in which water is stored, and it was falling, it was dipping on Lord Shiva's head one by one.
कृपा प्राप्ति करने के लिए क्या चाहिए?
Ashutosh,
गंगा जल
Ganga Jal.
और बेलपत्र चढ़ाना।
So for attaining the mercy of Lord Shiva, two things are required. One is Ganga Jal and one is Bilva Patra.
जैसे आज मैं बता देता है, बोले शिव जी के वो गंगा जल में किसी भी जल में है यदि बेलपत्र दिया जाए वो गंगा जल की फल प्राप्त हो जाए।
So Maharaj is telling, in any water, if you just add Bilva Patra, Bilva leaves, it is considered as Ganga Jal.
एक लोटा की जो है लगा दिया और
So a small bowl was there,
एक बेलपत्र
and water was there, and one leaf of Bilva was there.
तो किसी भी जल यदि बेलपत्र को स्पर्श करे वो गंगा जल
So
की फल
any water which touches the Bilva leaves, it is considered as Ganga Jal.
है। शिव पुराण में
In Shiv Puran it is mentioned, and there are many stories also along this, and Shiva easily get pleased.
गंगा जल कहाँ मिले?
So many people ask Maharaj, where can I get the Ganga Jal? So no worries, just put ordinary water and just add one Bilva leaf,
छेद कर दो और
make a hole, and in the hole
जो है बेलपत्ता उसमें
you add a Bilva leaf.
आश्रय करके जो जल टपकता
So
है
water
उसी गंगा जल
drips through that Bilva leaves, that is Ganga Jal. Through that you get all kind of siddhi also.
भाई तो क्या करें?
So further going on to the katha.
ये आज तो कुछ मिला ही
So this person, the Kuber's previous life, this person is seeing everywhere he is not getting anything for robbery.
ये तो तांबे के लोटा को मैं उतार लेता हूँ उसको
So he thought, okay, at least I'll take this bowl out from here. This is a copper bowl. I'll take this and I will sell this in the bazaar and I'll get some money.
देखो उन्होंने क्या की
But it was
शिव जी के
placed very high. So what he did?
अच्छा करके
He stood upon the deity of Lord Shiva and started to remove.
शिव चतुर्दशी है लोग
So, and Lord Shiva manifested and said, today Shiv Chaturdashi, people are offering so many things for me,
आज तक अपने को
but
किसी
till
ने
now nobody has offered himself to me. So Shivaji is telling like that, the robber standing upon Lord Shiva's deity to steal the copper, but Shiva is telling, oh, you offered yourself to me, you ask any benediction, I will give you.
इनको देखो शिव जी महादेव कितने को नाम है।
So Lord Shiva Mahadev is so merciful.
तुम किसे धन के लिए आए हो?
So he says, you are coming for the money, go.
ये बना
I will give you the post of
जी बना देता
treasurer of the heavenly planet.
आज इसी प्रकार की शिव पुराण में अनेक कथा है। ये कथा नहीं अनेक कथा।
So many pastimes are mentioned in Shiv Puran also.
धन है।
यही कुबेर बने थे।
यही कुबेर बने।
कुबेर तो रावण का भी भाई था जब
अरे इतने कल्पों में कितने कथा है, एक कथा के लिए
So in one kalpa, Kuber is the brother of Ravan. So there are many things, many kalpa, many stories in many kalpas.
है अभी आप अपने साथ में आए हैं और कितने बार भी आप आए नहीं, बात नहीं सकते। एक लीला को लेकर मत चलो, अनेकों पुराण में अनेक।
So Maharaj is telling, don't stick into one lila. Many Puranas has many leelas. We have to understand all these things.
चलो आगे की कथा सुना। तो उसी देखो ये धन हुए है और मणिग्रीव,
Nal Kuvar and Manigriv.
ये उनके दोनों पुत्र।
So two sons of Kuber, Nal Kuver and Manigriv, and they started to spend father's money. They started to waste father's money.
और फिर नारद ऋषि के कथा आप लोग जानते हैं।
So and you all know the story of Narad Rishi's
ये किस प्रकार
pastime along with Nal Kuvar and Manigriv.
करके
How this Nal and Manigriv were maddened and intoxicated by the money
जल में प्रेम
and
विहार अधिकारी।
intoxicated. They were drinking intoxication drinks and they were associating with women
किंतु
naked
ये दोनों जो है,
and taking
इतने
bath in the
सुंदर
pond.
शराब पी करके इतने मस्त थे।
Not only this,
नारद
they were
के
so
नाम
maddened
नारद के
out of their wealth.
शब्द आदि करने।
They started to speak ill words to Sri Narad Muni.
ऐसा नहीं है, यहीं पर आगे।
They are telling like, oh, you are not getting any other place. You are coming in my way. So these two brothers are telling to Narad Muni and very bad words.
नारद ऋषि क्या करेंगे? दंड पे दंड देना।
So what Narad Muni said, for Uddanda we have to do danda. Uddanda means for these naughty people and nasty people we should punish them.
या वृक्ष जनिका।
So he cursed them to become the trees because trees are naked and these people are also naked. So
उन्होंने नारद के चरण में पकड़ के रोने लगे।
So these two brothers hold the lotus feet of Narad Rishi and cried. And Narad Muni also bestowed his mercy. He said, in the Dwapar Yuga,
गोकुल में नंद महाराज के
in
आंगन
Gokul,
में
you
जवाहर
go,
के जन्म।
you go and take birth as Yamalarjan trees in the courtyard of Nand Maharaj. And Krishna will come and liberate you.
वचन रखना तो भगवान की कर्तव्य है कि नहीं?
So, maintaining the devotee's word is Lord's duty.
जो प्रतिज्ञा आदि कर लेते हैं, भगवान जो है उसकी रक्षा करते हैं।
So,
भगवान प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं,
Lord
तो आप
will protect the devotee's word. If Lord himself makes a word, he sometimes not follow that. But if a devotee gives a word, he will definitely follow it. So for obeying the words of Narad Muni, Lord came to this world also and liberated Yamalarjan trees through his Damodar Leela.
कहाँ भेज दिया? हैं? वो भी गोलोक में भेजा।
And he also sent these two people also to Golok Vrindavan. And Ji Goswami Pad telling like this, as per Ji Goswami Pad. In the form of Madhukanta and Snigdhakanta, both Nalkuvar and Manigriv goes to Golok Vrindavan.
ऐसे से सुंदर लीला आदि प्रकट करते हैं। गिरिराज गोवर्धन आदि कथा सुने, गिरिराज गोवर्धन लीला। कृष्ण की यही रासलीला जगत में प्रचार करने के लिए कृष्ण की दो लीला
So
करना पड़ा। एक है
So Krishna manifested two leelas for
कालिया दमन लीला।
manifesting the Ras Leela. One was Kaliya Daman Leela and another was Govardhan Haran Leela.
क्योंकि कलियुग है, मनुष्य की
Because this is Kali Yuga, people's mind is polluted,
ब्रह्म बनना चाहते हैं।
they want to become God.
इसलिए कृष्ण ने ये दो
So,
लीला के द्वारा दिखाया।
Krishna showed these two leelas.
मैं जो रासलीला करूंगा, मेरे भांति कोई रासलीला करने की इच्छा हो तो मैं ये दो लीला को प्रकट करा रहा हूँ।
So Krishna is showing these two leelas for humans.
कौन लीला?
Oh, if any humans wants to perform Ras Leelas like me, then you should stamp and dance on a snake like me and lift a mountain like me in a small finger. If you can do this, then you can do Ras Leela. So Krishna is showing this.
कलियुग के सिर पर भगवान ने नृत्य आदि किया है। मस्तानु अस्त्र भाव तिरुहे तवांग लेनु पछातिकार जब लड़ना जरूर था है। मस्तानुभाव ये जो कालिया नाथ की पत्नियां जो करी ये कालिया की हमारे दुष्ट दुराचारी पति कालियों की पूर्वजन्म के इतिहास में बताई। ये कौन सा कर्म किया था? ये दुराचारी, दुष्ट, निर्विशेषवादी, भोगवादी है। ऐसे कालियों के सिर पर से भगवान नृत्य किया। नृत्य भी नहीं किया, उनके सिर पर क्या दिया? धर्म चिन्ह। इसके कारण क्या?
कौन पूछ रहा है महाराज? कालिया पत्नी, नागपत्नी पूछ रहा है। So the wives of Kalia is asking, what is this? Kalia Nag has done such a pious thing. He is so disgusted, nasty, so sinful. But what he has done, such a pious thing, that Lord Krishna himself manifested his lotus feet on his head. So here Rupa Goswami Pad is telling one story. In the previous life, Kalia Nag was a king, and the king was having some stomach pain, so he was not curing. So then he asked the doctor, so what I should do? So doctor says, oh, you go and kill the 2 pigeons in the courtyard and you eat the flesh of that, your stomach ache will get cured. Then king saw there was no pigeons, so then he goes and asks for the doctor, what should I do now? There is no parrots. So the king says, the doctor says, oh king, now you take the you dress yourself as a Vaishnav. You wear kantimala, you wear dhoti, you put tilak, and you go. Now you'll get. So he went. The king followed the same thing, and he went. And by seeing the Vaishnava form, these 2 pigeons came and sat on the lap of the king, and king started to cry and said, oh, you're so merciful. So king started to cry, and these 2 pigeons mercifully said to the king, so these pigeons started to say, oh king, I am going to tell you what is the stomach pain, what is causing stomach pain in you. So pigeons said like this and said, you have offended a devotee, and you go and ask forgiveness and drink his charanamrit. So then your stomach pain will go away. Then king is asking to the pigeons, where is the Sant Mahatma whom I did offense? So pigeons are telling, in your courtyard there is a tree, and inside the tree there is one Sant Mahatma. There is a hole inside the tree. You can, inside the hole of the tree, the Sant Mahatma is staying, and you go and ask forgiveness and drink the charanamrit. You will, stomach pain will get cured. So the king went to the courtyard, he visited the tree. The king went by crying, and by crying he started to say, oh sage, oh great sage, please give the darshan of your lotus feet so that I can wash your lotus feet and I can drink the charanamrit. So after saying this, immediately the lotus feet of Sant Mahatma's charan came outside from the tree. And how it was? It was with leprosy. The lotus feet was with leprosy. And blood, pus was dropping. How the Badaji will take this? So we take Thakurji's prasad, Mahaprasad, and we see, oh, which is good, which is not good. We do. This is our condition. Oh, this is sweet. This is salt. This is bitter. I don't want this. I want this, like this. We see Bhog Buddhi in Thakurji's prasad. This is our condition.
और कौन सा सब्जी रह गया? रह गया करेला। अब क्या तो करना नहीं, थोड़ी सी देना, अब कहीं नहीं कहीं।
So Maharaj is telling the people how they do Bhog Buddhi in Prasad also. So when you see some sweets, they say, oh Maharaj, please give Mahaprasad, I want to eat. So when all Rasgulla is over, then if someday if Rasgulla is over and if there is some bitter gourd, they say, oh Maharaj, please give very little, I will accept it. So like this. So then king said, So, O sage, give me your another lotus feet. I can wash it. So immediately another lotus feet also came, and it was even more worst. Leprosy, bleeding, pus everywhere.
खून भी दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं, किंतु वो जो है मानो इतने बड़े बड़े कीड़ा भी दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं।
And insects also. He's seeing insects also in the another lotus feet.
जैसे मानो टपक करके पड़ने वाला था। किंतु अभी क्या करे? राजा विचार करने लगे।
So now what to do? King is thinking what to do.
पानी डाल दिया,
So he took the water and he washed.
खून गया।
He washed the lotus feet and he took it the Charnamrit
ऐसे लगा
and just touched to his lips, and then he sprinkled on his forehead. So then one voice came, "A fool king,
तू कैसे झूठ?
you are so you are so false. You are speaking so. You are not speaking truth. You are untruthful. You said you want to drink my Charanamrita, but you did not drink my Charanamrita. You just touched to the lips and you did not drink it. You are speaking
ये
false."
तो सर्प के काम होता है। सांप
This is the character of a snake, because snake has two tongues,
सर्प देने पास।
and I curse you, you become the snake.
उस महाराज ने क्या कि संत वहां के चरण पकड़े रोने लगे।
So then the king hold the lotus feet of sage and crying,
वो महाराज का वो
"Please forgive me, please forgive me."
मांस के टुकड़ा बाज जो है सिर पर लगाया, इतने सुगंध होने लगे।
So after that he just took the Charanamrit and applied on his head. He took the essence of the lotus feet and he applied. Then it was so fragrant. So then the sage is telling, "O king, I already given the curse, I cannot take back, but I will bestow a mercy upon you, that Krishna will come and give the lotus feet sign on your head. You will become the Kalyanag." So this benediction he bestowed upon the king.
और कृष्ण लीला के समय स्वयं कृष्ण ही तुम्हारे सिर पर
So Lord Krishna himself
चरण चिन्ह कराए।
comes and places his lotus feet and
देखो वो इस राजा की
bestow his mercy upon you.
महात्मा की वचन की रक्षा करने के लिए
So to protect the word of his devotee, Krishna has had to perform Kalya Dhaman Leela.
क्योंकि जो संत महात्मा होते हैं
Because they are Uchakoti Sant Mahatma, they have to keep up their words.
और इनमें लीला
Krishna has to keep up the words of the devotee.
संक्षेप में बता देता हूँ। हाँ? एक संत महात्मा थे, वह संसार छोड़ करके
So one sage was there, he left all his family and other things and he went to the forest to do bhajan. So under a tree he started to do bhajan as per his vow.
जैसे आप जिस कमरे में रहते हो,
He made a beautiful place,
फोटो लगा दी, गुरु जी की गुरुदेव की फोटो लगा दी।
like how we do in a small kutir. We put Gurudev's photo, we clean a small kutir like that. In the same way, as per his vow, the Sant Mahatma
एक कुटिया बनाई,
performed he built a small kuti and he started to do bhajan. 25 years to 30 years he was doing bhajan. After doing bhajan, in his mind
एक बार तो
he got a desire that I want to go for darshan, and he went to the pilgrimage for having darshan of different places. So this sage went to the pilgrimage, leaving this place. He went to the pilgrimage. At that time another sage came at the place where the bhajan kutir was there. So he came and he was doing bhajan kutir there. So the first sage came back after the visiting pilgrimage places after 10-15 years.
ये दूसरी संत महात्मा
So he was saying, "Oh, this someone else occupied my place."
ये मेरा स्थान है।
So the first sage is telling, "This is my place," and second Sant Mahatma is telling, "No, this is my place," and first sage is telling, "No, this is my place, no, this is my place." So this quarrel is happening here.
तो संत महात्मा कहने लगे, ये संत महात्मा पहले संत महात्मा कहने लगे, ये मेरा स्थान है, दूसरी कहते हैं अरे जगत इस तरह ईसा उसको सब जब 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 पूरे तक तो बुद्धि ला मांग जब ये भगवान की संस्कार में केसरा में रख करते बस दोनों संत महात्मा एक दूसरे कहते हैं मेरा ऐसे करते करते बात आगे उसने
So they started to quarrel. This is mine, this is mine, this is mine, this is mine. Both the sages. And both cursed themselves.
सांप जैसे
You become a snake. One sant, one sage cursed. You are behaving like a snake, so you become a snake. The snake always going and taking the shelter of a mouse hole. You are also doing the same way. You become a curse. The first sage cursed like this. So the second stage was unhappy, and he said, "Oh, you are like a fool and behaving like a crow. The crow has only one eye, and it always shouts. So you become a crow." So second sage cursing the first sage as to become a cow, and first sage is cursing the second sage to become a snake. So at this time Lord Vishnu came himself and said, oh my both the sages, you both are like my both hands. What shall I do? You both cursed yourself and you have to obey this. Go. You become Kak Bhushandi and come in my Ram Leela and have darshan of my Leelas. You will be for a long time and everyone will do your smaran. And another, so Krishna is telling, you take the form of snake, you become Kaliya and take birth. In Dwapar Yuga in Vrindavan, when I come in the form of Krishna, I will come and so you help in my Leela. That time I will come and place my lotus feet signs on your head. So one Sant Mahatma came as Kak Bhushandi in Ram Leela and another sage came as Kaliya Nag. So Bihari Lal ki Jai. So different pastimes in different yugas and leelas. Hare Krishna. Dandavat pranam for all devotees.